Hi and welcome to my little and very first tutorial on this channel about how to make your own fairy door. I wanted to make a fairy door for like several years now, and why did it take me so long? I don't know, because it's so easy. I hope you can follow my tutorial with the easy steps and just a few materials you need. They won't be expensive, and if you do, I hope you try this on your own and install a fairy door for your little fairies in your garden. First, you have to collect some twigs and branches in your garden, or in a garden of a friend, or in the woods, on a walk in the woods. And if you do, just try to find some twigs that are like of the same size or thickness, and try to find some straight parts of the twigs so they will fit together more perfectly afterwards. Then you need a kind of base. I used this board, this cardboard, kind of cardboard made with wood, with the small holes, just to fix the twigs on this base. First you have to glue them. I used a hot glue gun, and after you did this you need a thin wire to fix the twigs on the base perfectly. If you are done with fixing the twigs to your wooden base, the door is almost ready. You can add a small button or a wooden button like I did here as a kind of handle for the door, so your fairies can open and close the door in your garden. Now you can put the door into your garden, and if you are very, very lucky, maybe some fairies will move in. Let's see if it worked for me. I hope you liked my idea and will come back for future videos. I love ya. Bärbel is my name, and please keep in mind you don't have to struggle with my name because it's German. Just call me Bubble. See ya.
Hello, who's there? Hello? Who's there? It's you, Bubble. I am so glad that you came by. Oh yeah, and who are you? Oh, my lovely. Hi there. And you, and you, and you, and all of you. I think we have met before in your garden when you have been a kid. Do you remember? Oh, I remember very, very well. Because, yeah, we had so much fun playing in the garden and in the sun and in the summer. Do you remember? Well, even if you don't, I remember so well. Because it's so many years ago, but I'm a fairy and I can keep in mind everything because I am over 200 years old. And I hope we meet again very soon. Please, let fairies live in your garden and make them fairy doors like this one. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you, bye.